Hi, I'm Tyler Hooley. I'm here to share my incredible journey and how I achieved financial success with the Truth in Equity, CLB strategy. I was in the belief that I need to be debt-free before I could start the Truth in Equity, CLB program. I learned that the strategy would have gotten me to my goals sooner had I understood the concept more thoroughly. I should have called Bill at Truth in Equity sooner. Let me tell you my story. It all began in 2012 when I first learned about Truth in Equity and the CLB strategy. I mistakenly believed I needed to pay off a significant amount of debt before I could qualify for the Truth in Equity program. Boy, was I wrong. If I had worked with Truth in Equity back in 2012, I would already be done. However, I worked hard to eliminate debt, and when I thought I was ready in 2020, I made the call.
Tyler had a unique strategy in mind. He wanted to pay off all his consumer debt before tackling his mortgage. Realizing he didn't need to attack his debt prior to working with Truth in Equity and adopting the CLB strategy, and now knowing he could have been debt-free back in 2017.
Looking back, I admit it might have been a bit unconventional, but it's what I believed would work for me. I should have listened more intently and worked with Bill at Truth in Equity back in 2012. I believe my commitment to hard work and deep study would prepare me for the Truth in Equity program.
For the next 8 years, Tyler worked tirelessly, building equity through appreciation and paying off a significant amount of debt. It wasn't until March 13, 2020, that Tyler decided he was ready to take the next step and made the call to Bill at Truth in Equity. Tyler's transformation truly began when he joined Truth in Equity and began his CLB strategy. After 6 months, it was time for the initial performance review. In September 2022, Bill and Tyler meticulously reviewed Tyler's performance to date.
Nothing is more satisfying than watching those numbers fall. It's like gaming. It's fun. And I feel in control. A master of my universe. Everything we paid back was right there in the CLB account. Again. It's wild. There is no greater feeling than being in control, realizing the results and experiencing the freedom from debt and the stress of meeting deadlines.
Let's delve into the numbers. Tyler had a conventional mortgage with a balance of $130,035 at a 4.09% interest rate. These are in conventional circumstances, fairly normal and acceptable. Tyler's Truth in Equity, credit line banking journey, started in May 2020, and he configured his CLB account as a professional blend using Key Bank. This strategy is the foundation for Tyler's amazing performance.
The credit limit was $184,000 with an opening rate of 4.35%. With this particular arrangement, the CLB payoff was an impressive 3 years and 9 months. That's right. February of 2024. Paid off.
The only thing that is too good to be true is, why isn't everyone calling Truth in Equity and using credit line banking?
Tyler's CLB performance exceeded expectations. As of March 2023, Tyler's CLB balance is 0. That's right. 0.
The interest rate at payoff was 8.85%, and the actual CLB payoff was achieved in just 2 years and 10 months. From May 2020 to March 2023.
You have to ask. Why isn't this taught in school? Why don't the banks or lending institutions offer this? I paid off $130,035 in just 34 months instead of the projected 45 months.
By cutting 7 years off his 15-year conventional mortgage, Tyler now has $107,522 to spend or invest at his leisure moving forward.
It's like I have economic immunity now. The freedom. Relief. The power. It's liberating. I never thought it was possible. But, here I am.
Tyler Hooley's story is a testament to how Truth in Equity's credit line banking can transform the lives of individuals, helping them achieve financial success beyond their dreams.
Discover your financial success with Truth in Equities, Credit Line Banking. Can you CLB? Contact Truth in Equity. Go to truthinequity.com/contact and find out how you too can CLB and be financially free.